Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for GM's 1973 to 1991 K5. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Then uninstall and set aside the fuel tank. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Step 3. Cut the factory crossmember out by removing the retaining rivets. Avoid cutting into the frame rail itself. Clear the rivet holes using a hammer and punch. If the frame rails are damaged or rusted, install the necessary frame repair kit or kits before proceeding. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Align the replacement rear fuel tank crossmember using the factory mounting holes. Step 5. Install the crossmember using the included M10 hex bolts and M10 insert flange lock nuts. Tighten all hardware securely using an impact. The M10 nuts and bolts both require a 15mm socket. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer spray paint. Once dry, reinstall the fuel lines and any removed brackets. Reinstall the fuel tank, then lower and reinstall the bed.